Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about the gene functions and their role in animal genetics, gene actions and gene engine drive frequency. Then what is meant by genes? Genes are the functional and basic unit of the inheritance and are arranged in a linear order on the chromosome. Gene also defined as a hereditary units which reside in a long DNA molecule and it contains coded instruction or information for the production of protein which ultimately cause and determine a phenotype traits. The term of gene is coined by Johnson in 1909. Genes are self-duplicating and sometimes undergoes mutation. Genes also control the physiological and biochemical action going on in the cells. Then DNA is a molecule which encodes genetic information. It is a long coiled double-stranded chain of interlocking base pair called as double helix. There are four types of bases in DNA, that is adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. The order of these bases in a DNA strand called the sequence creates a doc code for information. The DNA code ATC has a different meaning than code TCA and so on. Each cell is equipped with special machinery used to read and sequence and use the information. Genes provide information for the synthesis of various enzymes and each every type of proteinous compounds of the body. The proteins that are determined by genetics DNA results in specific physical traits such as the coloration of the animal's coats and or the texture of person hairs. Different forms of gene is called as alleles. There are at least two alleles of genes, one of which may be dominant over the expression of the recessive genes. Then chemical basis of heredity. Mendelian genetics demonstrated that genes are discrete bodies carried on the chromosome. They discovered that chromosomes are the strand of DNA surrounded by the histones and DNA is generally active part. Watson-Crick model presented the DNA molecule as two strands coiled around each other to form double helix. The DNA structure explains following four properties of gene. Chemical basis heredity in that DNA carries genetic information. In this, the property of information storage clearly lies in the order of purine and pyrimidine bases in the DNA molecules. Four types of the bases are there in the DNA molecule, and each gene is said to contain 1000 to 1500 pairs. Thus, there are at least 41,000 different ways. In these four bases can ordered into sequence. The capacity to store information on gene is enormous, which is needed because these genes have to direct the growth and development. Duplication of DNA. The property of exact duplication is that result of complementary strand of the double helix. The structure of DNA molecule is such that each bases will pair within with only one other base, that is adenine with thymine and guanine with cytosine. DNA duplicates by separation of the two strands of the helix. This separation breaks the hydrogen bond which holds the bases together and allows each separated base to attract and bound to complementary base from the surrounding cell contents. Thus, the DNA molecule is duplicated at completion of spreading apart and attraction of new complementary bases. Molecular basis mutation. A sudden change in structure of the gene which is passed on homologous chromosome is called as mutation. Mutation could involve substitution of one base pair for another, the insertion of one or more extra base pair between existing base pairs, the deletion of one or more base pair between which create new arrangement of the base. Mutation is change in the sequence of base in the DNA molecules, which changes the coded information of a gene may result in the production of the defective protein or lack of protein synthesis. Then, fourth number, mechanism for translating the genetic information into action. The informed coded in DNA was found to contain sequence of amino acids in a specific proteins. Then it was discovered that RNA molecules copied the bases sequences of DNA, move to ribosome and provide the template on which protein molecules are formed. Thus, these proteins are active agent in causing development of activity, and certain proteins like enzyme and hormones are known to be catalyst controlling the rate of chemical changes in the body. Then functions of the gene. There are different functions of the genes. The genes must carry genetic information from to cell, generation to generation. The identification of DNA as hereditary carriers of traits from one generation of organism to the next generation of the organism. Gene must be duplicate. Then gene must mutate. There must exist a mechanism for translating the genetic information into action in the developing individual. Genes are coded by specific DNA sequence developing individual. Genes are coded RNA production. This is the major role in gene. Then through process of transcription, the production of the RNA. DNA is a transcript into RNA, which is template for protein production. Gene action. There are several types of gene action, that is complete dominance, incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, sex-linked inheritance, polygenic inheritance, additive gene actions. In the complete dominance, a type of gene action in which one allele at locus completely masks the effect of another allele at the same locus. All the allelic pairs that Mendel study shows complete allele at a locus is dominant to the other alleles, so that the phenotype of the homozygous dominant and heterozygous genotypes are the same. The recessive genotype is phenotypically expressed only when the organism is homozygous. However, the inheritance of some traits show exceptions. The allelic pair do not show the complete dominance relationship. The example of complete dominance, that is inheritance of black and red color in cattle. Then incomplete dominance. One can find the modification in the expression of a character by heterozygous from zygote of homozygous. As a result, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio is the same. This type of gene action is known as incomplete dominance. And incomplete dominance is shown when the dominant allele is not completely dominant. The recessive alleles, the heterozygous phenotype is closer to the dominant phenotype than to the recessive phenotype, but is not identical to the dominant phenotype. The example of the incomplete dominance, that is coat color in shorthorn cattle breed, is red and white. When a cross between red and white is carried out, the F1 generation has altogether new coat color, that is roan, which is not similar to either of the parents. Generation by crossing roan to roan, the progeny will be one red to roan, including genotype and phenotype ratio as one white, that is ratio 1:2:1. Therefore, the roan animals being heterozygous will not be true, but it is always possible to produce a roan animal by getting every time a red parent with white parent. Codominance. In the codominance, both alleles of pair are fully expressed in the heterozygous condition or heterozygous individual. Thus, the F1 heterozygotes exhibit the phenotype of both homozygous parents. There is no dominant or recessive alleles. Both alleles contribute equally to the production of the phenotypes. So, the heterozygous genotype produces a phenotype that is intermediate between those produced by the two homozygous genotypes. The Hebio blood group system provides a good example of codominance. Heterozygous and B individual are blood groups AB because both are antigens, that is B and A. This is the most useful example of the blood group regarding the codominance. Then multiple alleles. Genes who occupy the identical locus on homologous chromosome but after same character in different manner called heterozygous, where there are two alternate source of expression of character, either expression will be pulled or horn. However, it may be cases more than two alternatively genes that can accept loci. Such genes are called as multiple alleles. Example of AB, and O. These are the blood groups. Groups A would have genotype, that is A or A small a, with that is dominant and recessive, with B blood group BB or BA means dominant and one recessive, and O blood group with some recessive. AB blood group will be obtained in a cross A and B, as A and B are the dominant over small o, but there is lack of dominance between A and B. Sex-linked inheritance. In every species, out of the total pair of chromosome, one pair of homologous chromosome is called as sex chromosome. One a member as a X chromosome and another is Y chromosome. The rest of the pair are known as autosomes. The female XX chromosomes and male is XY chromosome. Thus, the male zygote always receive Y chromosome from the father and X chromosome from mother. There is difference in the characteristics of the X and Y chromosome. The Y chromosome is shorter than X chromosome. As a result, cannot carry all the genes corresponding to those X chromosome. Therefore, the male it is possible for single recessive gene from extra portion of the X chromosome, while in female there are two recessive genes from the recessive pair to be expressed. Due to this condition, any character of organism that is produced only in one sex is called as sex-linked character. Sex-influenced character expressed in one sex back. The expression requires certain conditions. Genes are located on autosome. Baldness is an example in male back. In presence of male sex hormone, the act as the oedemons, while in female it acts as a recessive due to absence of male hormones. Then Y-linked character. A gene located on Y chromosome, therefore characters are seen only in male, hence called as Hendrick inheritance, means entirely male, hence character are passed directly from father to son. That is example in human being. X-linked character. Gene located on X chromosome, dominant gene in male female but not true for recessive genes. Thus X-linked character are those passed by recessive gene on X chromosome. This sex linkage was established genetically one times in Drosophila, where white or color in fruit fly is recessive genes, as red is the normally color. Thank you.